Welcome, YouTubers. So today I would like to show you how to perform your mobile device or any Mac OS, Windows, or Android, even iOS. You can measure your hardware performance by cross-platform software called Bench Geek 5. Okay, the so the specifically this application can support multiple operating system. That's what is a cross platform software. Okay, so just uh, just go to Android. This is basically a Nokia 3.4, the new version, the new model at the market currently in 2020. I'm going to run the benchmark on this particular Nokia Android mobile. Okay, just go to Google App Store and what's called Google Store, and just type Bench Geek. The first instant, just click on install. I'm running on this application. I mean the application on this mobile is the first time, so we'll see the result. It might take some time to show the result. Let's passion. Right. Okay. Let's go ahead and open. All right. By using Geekbench, you are agreeing to the terms of the Geekbench, of course. Accept. All right. So as you can see here, there are two options: CPU and complete CPU. You can see the model of the phone OS, CPU, Qualcomm cluster, whatever, forever, and on the other right, your device resolution. I think it is something. I'm not sure really. Okay, let's run the CPU, right? Okay, click on run the CPU benchmark. Okay, let it gather all the required details in order to us to show the final result. 2%. As I said before, it may take some times because I'm running for the first time. 4%, 6%. I think it's trying to go across every single aspect. 27%. Excuse me. Actually, what people say uh, regarding this phone Nokia 3.4 currently, it's kind of the budgeting phone at 2020 because it has a great value and the great performance. Let's see what is the result will be. 41%. I could have been post the video, but I'm sorry, guys. Let's go through it. I don't want to interrupt the video. 58%. %72%. As we can see here, it's go through all the many aspect in the mobile itself. So actually, we may say that the result could be pretty sure, because I mean pretty accurate. Okay, 90%, almost done. Okay, 100%. Right, let's see the result. Okay, I don't know to a single score. I'm not sure multi-core score. Okay, anyway, Android 10 model, the Doctor Strange motherboard, wonderful. Processor Qualcomm topology, one processor 8 cores. Okay, the RAM look like a 3 GB or 4 GB. I think it's a 4 GB one, because I think it's been shared with other hardwares. So those are the pretty details, guys. Let's go for the other option, single core. OnePlus. If you go through the Google, and you can check every aspect by copy pasting. What are the meaning of these. I think this kind of comparison where it show that against other phones like Samsung SS20, see Xiaomi, right? Redmi, okay, multi-core. Even though we can share these details in WhatsApp or whatever by the emails. So that's pretty that much, guys. So I hope it might help you to understand about your devices performance. So thank you very much for looking the video. Thank you.